Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 280 Wilmot Road in Brighton.
This is an amazing storybook Cape Cod with a beautiful in-ground pool.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy this quintessential Brighton home that is loaded with character and charm. Featuring a spacious living room with a gorgeous fireplace, crown molding, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the family room with wainscoting and built-ins. Plus a convenient galley kitchen with gorgeous wood cabinetry, under cabinet lighting, and recessed lighting. Open to the dining room with crown molding and a chair rail. The first floor also features a spectacular sunroom with great natural light, laundry, and a powder room.
The upstairs features a landing or office area with hardwood floors, leading to 3 spacious bedrooms, including an owner's bedroom with double closets, plus a second floor updated bath.
This quality-built home has exceptional craftsmanship, showcased in the custom details and woodworking with a charming entryway and architecture, and a convenient 2-car attached garage.
This home is all ready for summer. With an expansive in-ground pool and deck, great for your family and friends.
Wilmot Road is a charming neighborhood of fine homes with easy access to everything Brighton has to offer. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 280 Wilmot Road in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!